Welcome to the Real Maxi Pets channel.
Hello everyone. Happy New Year 2024. In the new year, we want to tell you a special magical, and at the same time, real animal story. We hope you enjoy it. So, as you know, according to the Chinese calendar, the symbol of the year 2024 is the Greenwood dragon. Dragons are mythical creatures. They have often been described in fairy tales, myths, and have a special meaning in many world cultures. However, in our real life, we meet living creatures similar to dragons. Therefore, today we decided to tell you about dragons, animals that live in real nature. So let's start with the Komodo dragon, which resembles the mythical dragon more than any other animal in existence. The Komodo dragon is the largest extant lizard species in the world. They can reach up to 10 feet in length and weigh up to 180 pounds. These animals inhabit the islands of Komodo, Flores, Gili Moteng, and Rinca in the Indonesian region. The Komodo dragon is an apex predator and feeds on mammals, invertebrates, and birds. These predators are quite aggressive and hunt by ambushing their prey. Subscribe to our channel. Iguanas are herbivorous lizards that are also mysterious and resemble mythical dragons. They live in tropical areas of Central and South America, Mexico, and the Caribbean. They are quite large and can reach up to 7 feet in length. They have a specific body structure that helps them to be more sensitive and skillfully maximized. Iguanas are not dangerous and only feed on grass. Horned lizards look especially like magical dragons. These reptiles are found mainly in North America. Out of a total of 21 species of horned lizards, 15 are found in the United States. They have special horns on their heads. These are the actual horns, which are made up of bone mass. The horned lizard's body is covered with special scales that help it retain moisture and survive the scorching sun. Horned lizards also have special spikes on their backs to protect them from predators. Subscribe to our channel. Geckos are very interesting and diverse small lizards that also resemble mythical creatures, dragons. Geckos live in areas with warm climates and are found on all continents of our planet except Antarctica. Geckos are the most diverse type of lizard, with about 1,500 different species worldwide. These lizards are considered primarily nocturnal, so they have excellent night vision and large eyes. They also have specialized finger pads that help them climb vertical surfaces perfectly. These lizards are also unique in their vocalizations. Unlike other lizards, geckos can make special clicking and chirping sounds that help them when interacting with other wildlife. Geckos feed mainly on insects, often mosquitoes and moths. Geckos also have a peculiar long tongue with which they wipe their eyes. Subscribe to our channel. The blue-crested lizard is a beautiful and unusual lizard native to Southeast Asia and China. This reptile is medium-sized and can reach up to 1.35 feet in length. Blue-crested lizard lives in mountain forests up to 1,500 meters elevation. A distinctive feature of this lizard is its unusual bright blue coloration, which appears during the breeding season in males and females. Outside the breeding season, the body of lizards have the usual grayish-brown color. The males of these reptiles produce a series of push-ups, thus attracting a female or showing their strength when in conflict with other males. These lizards, like most of their relatives, feed mainly on insects. Also, males of the blue-crested lizard have an occipital crest consisting of spines pointing backward. The bearded dragon is a unique lizard that fully lives up to its name and truly resembles a magical dragon. These lizards are found throughout most of Australia in desert habitats. The size of the bearded dragon can reach up to 2 feet in length. A distinctive feature of these reptiles is the lower part of their throat, their beard, which can swell and turn black at the sight of a threat to deter predators. Also, bearded dragons, unlike other lizards, are able to burrow into the ground, creating burrows for shelter from the hot sun and predators. These lizards preferentially feed on vegetation and some insects. Subscribe to our channel. The frilled lizard is an Australian lizard that is unusual for its large frill on its neck, which opens to deter predators. The plumed basilisk is an interesting lizard that resembles our magical hero from fairy tales. This reptile inhabits Central America, covering the area of southern Mexico and northern Colombia. The plume basilisk has a remarkable feature in the form of bright green body coloration, as well as a pronounced crest on the back and head. Due to the shape of its legs, this lizard can easily move quickly across the surface of the water without drowning. The Australian water dragon lives up to its name and really does look like a dragon. This reptile is special in that it has a powerfully muscular tail and pronounced vertebral and occipital crests for swimming. This lizard also has strong limbs and claws for climbing in difficult places and rocky terrain. Australian water dragons are quite large and can reach up to 3 feet in length. Chinese water dragons are also large daytime lizards that can reach up to 3 feet in length. These reptiles are bright green in color and have strong muscular limbs with long claws and an arched crest for swimming. Chinese water dragons feed mainly on arthropods, worms, various insects, and plants. They also have a very long tail that exceeds 70% of their total body length. Subscribe to our channel. Garden lizard is also an unusual lizard that resembles a fairy tale dragon. These reptiles are small in size and can reach up to 1.3 feet in length. The distinguishing feature of these lizards is their variable coloration and bright red throat, which is especially apparent in males during the breeding season. So we have told you about dragons from the real wildlife. We hope you enjoyed our video. We wish you that the green tree dragon will bring you much happiness in the new year 2024.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Real Maxi Pets channel. Like and share.